In this video, I'll show you how to replace a sun visor from a Corolla 2009 to 2013. It's very easy to be done and it only takes a few minutes. So in case it's broken and you just got a new one from eBay or from the Toyota dealership, you simply have to unclip it from one side and then take one of these. Could be a flathead screwdriver or a knife, anything flat that goes, you see, under this plastic piece over here. I'm gonna glide it there and you're gonna pry it slightly like that, and you need to do this movement so the cap here, the plastic lid or cap, how you want to name it, is getting out. So do this on the back as well, put it there and then simply pry it. Next step is you're gonna pull down the sun visor. You can use your knife or your screwdriver to pull, to help you pull, and you'll notice that it's held by two metal clips. To put back the sun visor, you just have to remove this plastic cap here, because this is helping to lock it in place, so remove it. You're gonna take the sun visor with the metal clips and you're gonna push it inside. Then after you did this, take the plastic cap and we're gonna lock it in place by pushing it in. And this is it. Your sun visor is now in place and ready to be used.